Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Equity Chronicles. Uh, Today, in the post market analysis, as usual, we'll be seeing what is happening in Nifty, whether Nifty is all set to go till 24,200 or any more further uh, downside is possible. And as usual, we'll be analyzing Nifty 50, Nifty 500, Bank Nifty, and probably we'll talk about a little bit of mid cap Nifty and even small cap space. So without wasting time, let's jump into the charts and analyze.
So this is Nifty's daily time frame chart. Nothing much changed from our last video. Not a lot of changes. Only thing is that it just took out this pivot one. This was one pivot one which I marked. But structurally, Nifty remains the same. It is still lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, and it is forming a falling wedge pattern. And if you see, Nifty took resistance here, then again Nifty took resistance somewhere around in this region, even and yesterday it took resistance at this top wedge top, and it is well below 50 and 200 DMA. So you can see yesterday it took resistance at 200 DMA, and this channel top is like almost in the same region. So this will be a tough resistance. And what are the scenario where we are going to get a 24 to 50, 24 200 range? If Nifty is not taking down this pivot, and let's see if this is going to act as a support, and Nifty is trading in this range, the one which I drew. So if Nifty is trading in this range and forming very small narrow range candle, and if you get a breakout from here, probably the chances of hitting 24,200 is there. But again, lot of resistance here. This is also resistance. This will be act as a very tough resistance, these two. So, and even psychological resistance are there, 24k. But there is a chance. This is a game of probability. We are talking about probabilities here. So another probability is Nifty will further come down, maybe take a support here, and then further up, and then consolidate in this range without huge move for another 2 or 3 months, like trading in this range. And then if you're getting a breakout, then it'll be good. But anyway, I don't think the upward journey for Nifty is going to be that smooth. Uh, and Yeah, so as an investor, are you buying new stocks? I'm getting these questions actually from my, even from my friends and family and few of my subscribers. So what I tell them is that no, I don't, because like I am buying very small quantity, very very small quantity. There are a lot of good stock setting up, good structure, which I cannot discuss due to SEBI's new rules. But a lot of structure forming really good companies. I am looking for those companies which is forming a base and which fell very low from the top. It must have made a 52 weeks high, and it fell the least, maybe 20%, 25 or 30%, less than 30%. And if it's forming a base and breaking out, I'll be interested in those stocks, and I'll be buying in a very small quantity. Usually if I buy 1000 quantity, I'll be buying only maybe 50 quantity this time. I just want to test, and I'm spreading it across. Okay, so few sectors are doing well, you identify that sector, and then if you want to scale in, I would suggest that you have to wait for Nifty to close below, not below, it should close above 200 DMA and 50 DMA, and then consolidation and breakout. At that time you'll get a idea. As of now, what you can see is that, look at the structure. I told you, structure is like this, nothing happened. See, the moment you get a breakout like this, and then a consolidation, and then up, breakout, retest, and then continuation, at that time what happened, the structure will change. Nifty will be, you know going upward. Till that structural confirmation is not there, it's better to wait, especially beginners. It's better to wait. This might be top, bottom, we don't know. There are bottom market bottom principles available there. There are like a lot of books available for follow through day and all. You can check it out if you want. But we don't know yet. Maybe this is the bottom, I don't know. Maybe from here Nifty will just zoom and make a new ATH, I don't know that. See, the best bet is wait for a confirmation. We might miss some rally. Maybe see from here, from today's price action, maybe we miss maybe this much, maybe 4 or 5% when we are waiting for, or maybe even 5 to 6% when we are waiting for a confirmation. I think that is fine. It is better to lose this rally than to lose your capital. You might be entering a little bit late. I don't want people to, like, when Nifty reaches here and break out, and I don't want people to take entry from there, the top of the market, because you don't know how much upward move is pending. Maybe you'll take resistance from here, and then for one more round of fall could happen. So you should be okay with a little bit of Nifty, uh, the movement, upward movement. Even if you're missing it, it's fine. Let's hope it consolidate and form a range like this and break out from here and then go till here. And in the coming months, if the quarterly results and everything is settling down, even Trump's tariffs, a lot of uncertainty, if it is settling down and if you're getting any conviction, then you go for full-time scale. Until that time, my suggestion is always better to be on a safer side. You don't take big trades, don't commit a lot of money. We'll get opportunities. And bank nifty fell out of this channel. I was trading inside this channel. It just fell out of this channel and forming a base. And looking at Nifty, this is much better position. Here it is acting as a, it just broke out of this base, and this is acting as a support right now. And the base, you can see it kind of formed a W pattern, double bottom, you can say, or W pattern, whatever. And then this broke out. The candle is good. So bank nifty looks much better, but let's see. Still it is trading well below 50 DMA. It's taking resistance somewhere around here. So there are two resistance here, these resistance, and then this 2 DMA resistance, and then this channel bottom resistance. So these things need to be cleared with a good volume, and if it is entering this channel and then retesting and moving up, then we'll get a conviction. The best bet is that to wait, let it happen like this and break out, retest, then the structure will change. See, then the structure is changing. Now it's creating a higher high, lower high, like that. So till that time, you be cautious. Even if you're taking in banking stocks, whatever, you be cautious. And same with the broader market, Nifty 500. It is trading, it is back in this channel. The good thing is that it took support in this channel bottom, and then it just came back to this base. This is a good sign, but again, these are all resistance. You need to break this resistance and left, and even if it moves up, here is another resistance. So let's wait till something like this is happening. So we'll get a conviction. If this is happening at least, and if it's breaking out from this point, we'll get a little bit of conviction. But again, as I always say, not a smooth ride ahead, because a lot of resistance here, resistance, this 50 DMA, 200 DMA resistance, channel top, and these pivots, lot of pivots are there, lot of resistance are there. It's not going to be a smooth ride. Probably we might get a sideways market, and it's not going to be so smooth, in my opinion. I could be wrong, it's just my opinion. The point is, ultimately you should learn, and you shouldn't wait for someone to tell you what to do, how to do, and all those things. It's just my analysis and my personal view. I could be very well wrong, as I always say. Mid cap also similarly took support from this zone, and these are all resistance. And good thing is that it tried to go back to this base, but just close below. And we need to see tomorrow's price action. Maybe a lot of policies are going to happen, and even in US some policies are rate cuts and everything is pending, and even the election, Delhi election could have an impact. So let's wait and watch. Similar, nothing much to discuss in this. Similar with Nifty, resistance ahead. These are all resistant, and if small cap is out of this base. I think small cap will take a lot of time. Maybe it will just consolidate here, form another base, something like this. If we are getting something like this, and we are getting a good time and price correction, okay. So the time correction is very important, because these spaces have already a lot of froth. So a lot of overvalued companies and a lot of investors are invested. So that's why I am looking for new company which listed recently, and I'm looking for a base breakout, IPO base breakout. If you want it, you try for that. And then there are a couple of sectors which is doing good, which is IT. And then with the budget boost, we might get a boost in FMCG, consumer durable spaces. But again, it will take some time. Structure, as of now, structure is very much damaged. It might take some time to repair and recover, and this is much needed price correction. And we, in my opinion, we require little bit more uh, price correction. Sorry, not price correction. We need little bit more time correction. And then you should be expecting a shakeout. Okay, people might be thinking now, a lot of things are positive when the budget came out good, and if RBI rate cut is happening, then if it is good, and then Delhi election, if BJP is winning, it is all positive for market. They think like that, and then the moment it reaches somewhere around here, they'll take big position, and it could be another bull trap. We might get a sharp fall from here, uh, you know maybe something like this, and then a consolidation and up move. So stage for uh, a bull trap is also set. So that is why, until and unless we get a clear picture, until and unless the structure is changing, and then we are getting a higher high, higher low, it is extremely difficult to get a conviction and a proper trade. And in my suggestion, don't listen to all those so-called influencers and media personalities out there. Do your analysis. It's your capital. The view is there, but the money is yours. Okay, you shouldn't forget this. Anyway, take care, guys. I'll come up with another video, probably tomorrow or maybe next week. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.